हेलो एंड वेलकम टू ईवी ड्राइव द फ्यूचर। पूरे देश में जहां इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स की धूम है और इस बार का भारत मोबिलिटी एक्सपो में भी आपने देखा होगा पूरी तरीके से इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स को डेडिकेटेड था। इसी में देश की जानी मानी कंपनी प्लग एंड राइड मोटर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ने भी अपनी इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक बाजार में उतारी है, जिसकी ग्रेट लॉन्चिंग नाइजीरिया के इकोनॉमिक ट्रेड एंड काउंसलर मिस्टर अब्बास अब्दुल्लाही के हाथों की गई। आइए जानते हैं इस मौके पर उन्होंने क्या कहा।
Good afternoon to you all. My name is Mr. Abbas. I'm the Trade Counselor in Nigerian High Commission. Today, I come here to unveil plug and ride products, which is the bike and the delivery bike as well. And I'm really impressed with the product. And I think this is what's doing not only in India, but I think South should even learn from you because I'm sure this is better than many other countries who produce this. And for Africa, it's an open market. I assure you, when you launch this in Africa, it will go a long way. A lot of people would like to have this because now issue of expenses in buying fuel, diesel, and even green energy we are talking about. But electric bike can go a long way for even those who are into commercial because once you charge 5 hours this one or 3 hours, it will take you maybe for the whole 100 kilometers, which is better than buying fuel of maybe 200 rupees or 300 rupees. By the time you charge 3 hours, you have saved over 250 rupees out of that you spend. And you can even charge at home. So for me, it's a welcome idea. And I believe this can have a collaboration with Africa because in Africa, we need such kind of product that we can be able to be utilized in the rural areas and in urban areas, you might only use it for this kind of transportation. However, in the urban areas where there is no access road, maybe buying fuel, you can even charge it somewhere. You can even buy your generator at home and charge it. So when you charge at home, you can use it. You can use it to go to the farm. You can use it to even transport some of your farm product you can be able to use. So I'm happy to unveil this plug and ride today and looking forward for collaboration with not only my country, Nigeria, but other African countries. Looking forward to our collaboration. Thank you so very much.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर। ये थे नाइजीरिया के इकोनॉमिक ट्रेड एंड काउंसलर जिन्होंने
ईवी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में और अपने इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जिसकी आज ग्रेट लॉन्चिंग थी उसके बारे में बात करी। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।